Hi everyone, today we are going to be making a veggie omelet. For our ingredients, you will need 2 tablespoons of diced bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of diced onion, a half a cup of chopped spinach, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You'll also need some olive oil cooking spray, salt, pepper, and 3 eggs. So for our first step, we're gonna take a small saucepan and turn it on to medium heat. While that's getting hot, we are going to spray our saucepan with the cooking spray. And then we're gonna put in our bell pepper, onion, and chopped spinach. We're gonna save the cheese for after the omelet starts to cook a little bit. So right now we're just gonna saute this until the vegetables get soft. It should take about 3 minutes. While these vegetables are sauteing, I'm gonna crack 3 eggs in the bowl and whisk it together with a fork. Okay, a little piece of spinach goes in there. With the eggs in the bowl, I'm also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to take the fork and whisk this together to break up all the yolks. All right, and then we're gonna check on our veggies. And what's nice with omelets is if you like certain vegetables better than others, you can definitely switch them out. You can add broccoli, you can add chopped mushrooms, any vegetables you like really goes nice with a veggie omelet. So once your veggies and the spinach is a little wilted and the veggies look translucent, we're gonna add in the egg mixture. And we're gonna cook the eggs just like this, kind of let them sit for about 3 minutes. We want the eggs cooked about 70% of the way through. Once they're cooked about 70%, we're gonna flip it over and add our cheddar cheese to make the omelet. So something you can do to help the eggs get cooked is just a little bit. We can scrape kind of the bottom of the pan so the eggs start to cook. You don't want to scramble them too much, but to help them cook a little bit, you can mix it up with your spatula. All right, so as you can see, about 3 minutes has gone by and the top is still a little runny, but you can tell the bottom of the omelet has set, and this is the time that we flip. So you're gonna take your spatula and try and go all the way under the omelet, and we're going to flip it completely over in the pan. If it breaks a little, that's totally okay. We'll fix it when we add the cheese. So at this point, we're gonna add that 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar, and we're only gonna put this on half the omelet. If you don't like cheddar cheese, you can also use mozzarella, pepper jack, really you can use any cheese that you like. And we're gonna have the omelet sit here for another minute. Okay. All right, about a minute has gone by. Now we're gonna take the half that doesn't have the cheese and flip it over. And we're gonna let this cook for another 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, we're gonna turn off our heat and take a plate the omelet, and it is ready to enjoy.